destroying items with this pressure washer. Who will win? And our first victim that we're going to be destroying with that pressure washer is a watermelon. So this was the damage that the pressure washer did to the watermelon. I say it's pretty good. If you kind of look over here, you can see all the watermelon guts spilled out. So yeah. Oh no! Just observe it more. You can see that the pressure washer took some of the skin off. Oh. And I got super close to it, which made this huge hole on this side. And that's really all the damage that happened to this watermelon. Next up, nasty potatoes. So, we have a sponsor today, Prime. Now, next up, some bottles of Prime. Wow, that was an epic fail. It only got the label off. So next up, we have these lasagna noodles that went stale a long time ago. These Nikes are very nasty, and it looks like they need a little cleaning with the pressure washer. present for my dog Camo to destroy the pressure washer also. He gave me the special present, so I might as well use it. So for our next item, we have this brain jello. Just wobbled around. Looks like this. Okay.